Aloha, I'm John Maxwell with Oceanfront Sotheby's International Realty, here today to give you a look at my great listing down here at Kailani of Princeville. This has some of the best ocean views of all Kailani. Kailani offers a kind of a condo style living where everything is taken care of for you, but still gives you that feel of a single family residence. It's a great development, one of the newest on the North Shore. You can see the water features behind me here, and they have them on almost every corner, over a half-mile lit walking trails. Have a great pool area with 3 different pools, a lap pool, an adult pool, and a family pool. Also a great covered area for entertaining, barbecues, everything. I think you'll really love this listing. I'm happy to show it to you. Here at Kailani number 20, like I said, water features on almost every corner, over a half-mile of lit walking trails. As I look down towards the unit, you can see it's set back, gives you maximum privacy, and it's very quiet. And also, you're out on the point where it maximizes your ocean views. Here we are to the entrance of Kailani number 20. Beautiful entrance door. As you can see, the first thing that hits you are those spectacular ocean views. We go past the dining area and go into the living room. You're sitting on your sofa looking out on that great ocean view. And just to the back of me is a nice bar area, kitchen. All appliances are Wolf and Sub-Zero. Here is the upstairs or main floor guest bedroom. Nice windows, walk-in closet, and great double sink bath with full shower. Here we are in the downstairs living area, where there's also an additional bedroom and the master bedroom. This living area downstairs has a gas fireplace, nice lanai, and a private backyard. And again, looking on straight down to the ocean for those fantastic ocean views. Going into the master bedroom, we pass through double doors. Very nice size master bedroom. Again, like almost every room in this house, you're looking down at the ocean. Great ocean views from almost every room in this home. And you notice we're far enough out, you don't see any neighbor's hood. You have privacy down at this level. We go off here, we go into the master bath. Again, double sinks, jacuzzi tub, and a full walk-in shower. Also a nice little private lanai off the master bath. You can see those great ocean views, like I said, coming from almost every room in this home. That's what you're looking at when you're sitting on your sofa. Best ocean views in Kailani.